Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this my delicious and yummy vegetable soup. So delicious that you can't wait to taste it. Let's cook it together, guys. The ingredients I'll be using for this my megawatt delicacy are ugu leaf, that is vegetable pumpkin. I have stockfish, bonnet pepper. I have frozen spinach, beef, snail, which is the omega snail. I have catfish, dried fish, onions, shaki, and beef skin, which we know as poma. I also have with me here salt, of course, palm oil, crayfish, and Maggi cube for seasoning. Alright, I will start by cooking the shaki and the stockfish first because both of them are almost the same thing. They are hard to done, so I have to cook it at least halfway before adding the meat. When that is being cooked, I pour the hot water on to the dry fish to wash it so that it will be very clean and remove all obstacle in it. Okay, now the shaki has cooked halfway. I'll be adding the beef, the snail, the pepper, onions, salt, and seasoning cube to season it. Then I cover it to steam for just some minutes, a minute. Then I stir it so that everything will combine together. As you can see, after that I cover it to cook. While waiting for the meat to done, I defrost the spinach. I bought spinach because I didn't see water leaf, so I bought frozen spinach to help to bind the vegetable. It's still okay. If you don't see water leaf, you can buy frozen spinach. Then after squeezing the water from the spinach, I wash the ugu with salt so to help it wash well, and I wash it several times that it will be very clean. Then I have to cut it into smaller pieces, not too small and not too big, just normal cutting. I cut everything into smaller pieces. Now the meat is done, so I added the poma, that's the beef skin, because it's already done before. That's why I didn't cook it again with the meat. I stir everything, mixed everything together. I left it to simmer for few seconds. Now everything is ready, so I sieve the stock into a bigger pot. But because I don't trust my palm oil, so I have to cook it first. I added 2 spoons of the palm oil so that I will cook it first before adding other things, because I have not used this palm oil before. I don't know how it will taste or how it goes. And here I'll be adding 1 spoon of crayfish. Yeah, I left it to boil for some time. Then I add the dry fish, and 1 spoon of crayfish. After adding everything, I left it to cook for some time so that everything will get done with the palm oil. Keep watching, guys. Let's continue the cooking. Alright, the soup is almost done, guys. Right now I'll be adding all the rishi. Everything that is needed in this soup is inside the pot now. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god. Then I add the frozen spinach, my binder. I add it first before adding this vegetable bit by bit so that everything will enter inside. Oh yes. Look at that. I have enough vegetable anyway. The ogo, vegetable pumpkin. I added more onions because I like onions, and onions is good in vegetable soup. And add the remaining vegetable. I wanted to keep some, to reserve some for another thing, but I changed my mind. Let me just put everything together here so that here will be vegetable intercontinental. Oh my God. By the way, guys, if you have watched up to this stage and you have not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Are you waiting for the food to done before you subscribe? Hit the subscribe button, my friend. Hit the subscribe button. It's free of charge. Just hit the subscribe button for me, like it, and give me a comfortable comment on this my special vegetable. So healthy and is very, very delicious. Just try it on your own. You will see what I'm talking about. Alright? I have to cover it to boil for some time. I mix it again so that everything will incorporate very, very well. Look at this. Can you see the vegetable has gone down? It has respected itself. Oh yes. This is so good. Yeah, very, very nice. I test it for salt and pepper. Everything is perfect. Oh my God. So yummy and delicious. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me comfortable comments. Look at that. It's almost done. We are almost there. We are almost there. I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait to thank God my wheat is ready already. My wheat is ready. Guys, bring your plate. Bring your plate. If you have subscribed, bring your plate. Don't mind me, guys. I just want to add a little, garnish it with a little fun. Okay? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God, it's looking yummy. I can't wait to taste it. Okay, everything is ready. This is my megawatt vegetable soup with snail, ogo, vegetable pumpkin. Let me taste it and see how it goes with my wheat. Wow. Oh my God. Believe me, guys, this is delicious. What did I say? It is delicious. You can eat it with semo. You can eat it with wheat, as I'm eating it with wheat. You can eat it with eba, that is gari. You can also do fufu or yam fufu. Anyone, it will go well with any swallow that you use for it. It will go well. Okay, this is good. So delicious. Guys, you have to try this. You have to try it on your own and see what I'm talking about. This is a special vegetable soup for this special season. Look at that. Look at that. What did you see? Just tell me what you see on my comment section. Remember to share me out. Promote me. God will promote you. Show me that love, guys. Show me the love, okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being there for me every time. Each time I upload my video. Thank you. See you on my following videos. Bye.